Hello students, today we are going to see a very interesting story. It's about a crow and the black snake. Here are the meanings. So let's start the story. Once upon a time, a family of crows lived in a huge banyan tree. There was a father crow, a mother crow, and many baby small crows. You see in the picture a father crow, mother crow, and many baby crows. They all live happily in a huge banyan tree. Okay? One day, a huge snake came to live in the hole at the bottom of the tree. The crows were unhappy about this but could do nothing. You see here, a big black huge snake came to live in the hole at the bottom of the tree. And the crow family, they were unhappy, sad about that. Soon Mother Crow hatched a few more eggs. Some more baby crows were born. You see here, Mother Crow and her eggs, and more baby crows were born. Okay? When the crows flew out in search of food, the snake ate up the babies. When the crows returned, they could not find their babies. They hunted high and low, but no an avail. When the crows were not over there, the snake ate up the babies. After a few months, Mother Crow gave birth to more baby crows. This time, Mother Crow stayed home when Father Crow went out in search of food. This time, the Mother Crow, she was there. She didn't go for the search of food. She was there protecting, guarding the babies. Okay? That it should not get harmed or disappear. Ignoring the fact that Mother Crow was keeping a watchful eye on her babies, the snake still slithered up the tree and attacked the babies. Mother Crow tried to fight the snake off, but she was not strong enough. You see in the pic, the snake still ate up the babies, and the Mother Crow, she tried to fight back, but she couldn't. She was weak in front of huge black snake. Help, help, she cried. Other crows came to her aid, but the snake had already eaten the little ones and crawled back into its hole. All the crows, they came for help, but they couldn't help her, and the cruel devil snake already eaten up the babies and crawled back into its hole. When Father Crow returned, he found all the crows weeping. They were all weeping, sad. He consoled his wife, who wanted to leave the tree house immediately. But the Father Crow said, "This tree has been our home for many years, and we must live here." What is said? This tree is our family home, and we should not leave. We should fight the evil snake. Okay? He thought of asking a wise old for helping in order to get rid of the snake. So, what he did, the father crow, he was very clever. He went to the wise old fox for some idea how to get rid of the black snake. You see in the pic the fox and how the father crow is asking him. Okay. The old fox came up with a brilliant plan. He told them, "Go to the river bank tomorrow morning, where the ladies of the royal family will be bathing. Their clothes and valuables will be kept on the river bank, while the servant will be watching over them for a distance." What he told? All the royal families, ladies, queen will be bathing in the river, and their valuable jewelries, pearls, necklace will be kept aside, and the bodyguard, the watch guard, they were guiding, protecting them as their clothes and jewelries also. The fox asked the crows to pick up a necklace and fly away, making a raucous noise. This would make the servant chase them to the tree, where the crow would drop the necklace into the snake's hole. So, what's the plan? The plan was that the crow will pick up the necklace and fly away, making a noise, and the servants will run and they will follow the crow, and where the necklace will be dropped into the snake's hole. You see in the picture how the necklace is being dropped in the snake's hole, and the servants are standing with their spear to kill the snake. So the next morning, when the crows flew to the river bank, Mother Crow picked up a pearl necklace and flew off as Father Crow crowed loudly to attract the servants' attention. You see in the pic, as planned earlier by the wise fox, and they are doing the same way. The servants ran after Mother Crow and reached the banyan tree where the black snake lived. Okay? They dug up the hole at the bottom of the tree and killed the snake with a stick to take the necklace from there. Yes. Now the snake is being killed by the servant, and they got rid of the evil black snake. So you have seen the chapter and you can write your answers very clearly. Okay, so good luck for your studies. Thank you very much.